A gardener's delight, the allure of the perfect storm hibiscus. For years, I've been a sucker for a stunning flower. The bolder, the brighter, the more unique, the better. So, when I stumbled upon the perfect storm hibiscus, it was love at first sight. This wasn't your average hibiscus. It was a showstopper with a captivating combination of color and form. But beyond its undeniable beauty, the perfect storm offered something even more valuable, a manageable size perfect for my garden. Here, I want to share my experience with this captivating plant and equip you with the knowledge to cultivate your own perfect storm. What does the perfect storm hibiscus look like? Imagine a firework exploding in slow motion, its fiery hues captured in a single bloom. That's the essence of the perfect storm hibiscus. Its most striking feature is the flower itself, a magnificent display of white, edged with a delicate blush of pink. But the true magic lies in the center. A vibrant red eye radiates outward along the veins, creating a mesmerizing contrast. These saucer-shaped beauties can reach a staggering 7 to 8 inches in diameter, a true testament to the plant's dramatic flair. But the visual feast doesn't stop there. The perfect storm boasts deeply dissected, dark purple foliage that resembles maple leaves. This rich, almost black hue provides a stunning backdrop for the vibrant blooms, further emphasizing their brilliance. The combination creates a truly unforgettable visual experience. How to plant seeds of the perfect storm hibiscus. While propagation through cuttings is an option, there's a certain satisfaction that comes with nurturing a plant from seed. Here's how to get your perfect storm hibiscus journey started. Timing is key. These beauties thrive in warm weather, so aim to plant your seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Prepare the seed tray. Fill a seed tray with a well-draining potting mix. Moisten the mix thoroughly but avoid creating puddles. Sowing the seeds. Gently press the seeds onto the surface of the potting mix and lightly cover them with a thin layer of mix. Light and warmth. Place the tray in a warm location, around 70 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, that receives plenty of indirect sunlight. Germination magic. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy. Germination typically takes 10 to 14 days. Welcome, seedlings. Once your seedlings have emerged with a couple of sets of true leaves, it's time to transplant them into individual pots filled with fresh potting mix. How to care for perfect storm hibiscus. With proper care, your perfect storm hibiscus will reward you with a season-long display of blooms. Here's what this captivating plant needs to thrive. Sun seeker. Give your hibiscus at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. This will encourage abundant flowering. Hydration hero. Water your hibiscus regularly, especially during hot and dry periods. Aim for the soil to be consistently moist but not waterlogged. Feeding frenzy. During the growing season, a balanced fertilizer applied once a month will keep your hibiscus happy and flourishing. Winter woes. The perfect storm hibiscus is considered hardy in zones 4 to 9. However, if you live in a colder climate, it's best to overwinter the plant indoors in a sunny location. What to plant with your perfect storm hibiscus. The perfect storm hibiscus can be a stunning centerpiece in your garden, but it also plays well with others. Here are some ideas for creating a harmonious composition. Silver linings. Plants with silvery foliage like lavender or ornamental grasses can create a beautiful contrast with the dark purple leaves of the hibiscus. Yellow cheer. Yellow flowering plants like coreopsis or daylilies can add a pop of sunshine to the composition. Shrubby delights. For added height and structure, consider planting shrubs like potentilla or butterfly bush alongside your hibiscus. With a little planning and care, the perfect storm hibiscus can become a cherished part of your garden. Its captivating beauty and manageable size make it a true gem for gardeners of all levels. So, why not give it a try and witness the magic of this floral phenomenon unfold in your own backyard?